This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. In Assam, the Legislative Party meeting of the BJP will be held in Guwahati today to select a leader. Senior leader and Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, along with party leader Arun Singh, will attend the meeting as observers. State Party President Ranjit Kumar Das said that along with them, senior leaders B.L. Santosh and Vijayanta J. Panda will also be present in the meeting. He said the meeting will start at 12 noon. The party has retained power in Assam with 75 seats along with the allies Assam Gana Parishad and UPPL. Arunachal Pradesh Government has imposed a night curfew in the state starting at 6:30 p.m. yesterday till the 31st of May. Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare Sharath Chauhan has informed that there will be total ban on the movement of individuals during the curfew timings except for those in emergency services. He informed that tourist inner line permits will remain suspended till May 31st. All shops and commercial establishments shall shut down at 4 p.m. on all days. City buses, inter-district and interstate buses will be allowed to operate with 50% seating capacity. A group of young professionals and students based in Guwahati has launched a website and mobile application to help COVID-19 patients. The website, titled ghyfightscovid.in, has been launched for the residents of Guwahati to fight the COVID-19 battle collectively. The website is designed to enable the residents of the capital city of the state to bring together and find resources to fight COVID-19, from oxygen cylinders to plasma, including meal services. Assam has started the vaccination process for persons between 18 and 44 years of age category in a full-fledged manner. State Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that the beneficiaries in this category have been administered the first dose of Covaxin across 244 COVID vaccination centers in the state. The government has 1.5 lakh vaccines to be administered to this age category for 3 days. Serum Institute of Pune has promised to provide another 4 lakh vaccines of Covishield for the 18 to 44 years age group today, Sarma said. In Meghalaya, the ongoing lockdown will continue in the district of East Khasi Hills District till the 17th of this month, 5 a.m. The decision came after a review meeting chaired by Chief Minister in Shillong yesterday. Divulging the details of the decisions taken, Deputy Chief Minister Prasthant Tinsong informed that during the extended lockdown, banks and post office will be allowed to open with limited employees. The government has also decided that 100-day activities under Manrega and farming activities will be allowed throughout Meghalaya, but strict adherence of SOPs has to be followed. He stated that construction works will be allowed provided the labourers stay within that premises where the work is going on. Tinsong also requested the employers and contractors to adhere to the protocols issued by the district authorities. The state government has also decided to postpone the Class 12 examinations, and a new notification will be issued by the Education Department, he added. Further, the Deputy Chief Minister said that weekend lockdown from 10 p.m. of every Friday up to 5 a.m. of every Monday will continue throughout the state. Meghalaya recorded 11 COVID-19 related deaths since Friday. They were all from East Khasi Hills District. The total tally of the number of fatalities in the state now stands at 210. Director of Health Services Dr. Aman War said that the state recorded 374 new COVID-19 cases yesterday, adding the number of active cases to 2,678. He stated that 152 recoveries were also registered yesterday, bringing the number of recovered cases to 16,414. So far, East Khasi Hills District has the highest number of active corona cases with 1,583 positive people. And the Meghalaya government has initiated a two-pronged strategy to tackle the present surge of COVID cases. One is through checking of returnees, and second one is contract tracing of already infected people. Informing this, East Khasi's Deputy Commissioner Isawanda Lalu said initially COVID cases were high among the returnees, but now community transmission led to surge in positive cases. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.